Israel detains 17 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Israeli army carried frequent arrest campaign across West Bank on pretext of searching for wanted Palestinians. Turkey gives biggest support to refugees worldwide. Erdogan. Turkey makes conscious effort to improve lives of Syrian civilians, says President. UAE drone attack killed 7 in Tripoli. Libyan government airstrike targeted biscuit factory in Tripoli. UN dispatches humanitarian aid to northwest Syria. 33 trucks of aid to be distributed in war-torn Idlib province. Missile attack hits area near Green Zone, Iraq. Area close to buildings of government and foreign missions come under attack of 3 missiles, says security sources. Kuwaiti Prime Minister declines reappointment. Kuwait's Amir relieves Defense and Interior Minister from their posts. Saudi film to be screened in Israeli Film Festival. Israel Foreign Ministry not mentioned whether they got permission to screen Saudi film. 2 Saudi soldiers killed near Yemen border. Detail about time and circumstances of death not revealed. Yemen's government returned to Aden under power sharing deal. Arrival comes as a part of Riyadh agreement. Egypt, Libyan defendant gets death for 2017 attack. Military code also rules life imprisonment for 32 defendants. Pakistan's test fire ballistic missile. Shine 1 capable of carrying all types of warheads up to 650 km range. Muslim body to file review appeal in Babri Mosque case. All India Muslim Law Board says Supreme Court decision is not understandable, so needs review.